Welcome to ATM Matrices Review. Your test will be sometime this week. Number one, this video is for number one and number two. Number one says, answer the following questions using the given matrix. Okay, this is matrix A, matrix B, matrix C, matrix D. It asks for your dimension. Remember, your dimension is always a row by your column. Okay, so matrix A, how many rows do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. By your columns, 3. 1, 2, 3. Matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 4. By 2 columns. Matrix C is a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 2 by 5. Matrix D is a 2 by 2. Your entries. This right here is your row, and this right here is your column. Okay? So, matrix A, first row, third column is number 3. Matrix B, second row, first column is 15. Matrix C, third row, there's not a third row, but there's a first column, so this one is not applicable. Matrix D, first row, second column, 32. Okay, this one does not have a third row. Your address, it's wanting the location of each one of these entries. For matrix A, number 5, matrix A, it's in matrix A, second row, second column. Okay. Matrix B, number 13, it's in matrix B, first row, first column. Matrix 29 is in matrix C, second row, 1, 2, 3, fourth column. Write it as a subscript, please. Matrix D, number 31, first row, first column. And there you have your address. Number 2. Number 2 says, perform the given operations. Write undefined for any expressions that cannot be simplified. Okay? I would like you to show your work. Answers only, will not be full credit. Alright, part C. Number 2, C minus D. Here's your C. C is a 2 by 2, and D is a 2 by 2. They have the same dimension, and so therefore you can add or subtract. C is 15 minus 9. That's you showing your work, okay? First row, second column. Negative 22 minus 1. Second row, negative 26 minus negative 1. 7 minus negative 10. And then you can just provide your answers right there. Alrighty? So let's take a look. 15 minus 9 leaves you 6. Negative 22 minus 1 is negative 23. Your new dimension should be a 2 by 2. Negative 26 plus 1 is negative 25. 7 plus 10 is 17. And there you have your solution. B plus E, okay? B is a 4 by 2, and E is a 4 by 2. Since they have the same dimension, you can add or subtract these two. So let's take a look. Your new dimension should be the same one, 4 by 2. All right? So you're going to have 3 plus 3, okay? 21 plus 14. Negative 12 plus 6, negative 1 plus the other 6, okay, 0 plus 7, I didn't make mine long enough, 8 plus negative 18, which is 8 minus 18, negative 2 plus 12, and 10 plus 2. And there you have your 4 by 2. And now you need to simplify. So here's your solution. 6, 25, negative 6, 5, 7, negative 10. I believe that was a negative 2. Then we'll make that look like a really negative 2. So that leaves you with a 10 and a 12. And it's a 4 by 2. Okay. A plus B. Let's take a look. Your A is a 3 by 3, and your B is a 4 by 2. The dimension is not the same, so therefore you cannot add or subtract, so your solution for this one is undefined. It has to have the same dimension. You don't have to tell me not same dimension, but I just want to let you know why I cannot add dimension. I'll spell it correctly. Okay? E minus B. Can I subtract those two? Absolutely. They have the same dimension. So it'd be a 4 by 2. Here we go. E first. What's your E? 3 minus your B, which is 3. Okay? Next one. 14 minus 21. Next, 6 minus negative 12. Okay? 6 minus negative 1. 7 minus 0. Negative 18 minus 8. Okay? Keep going. 12 minus negative 2. And 2 minus 10. When you're subtracting orders, it's very important. Let's go ahead and find our solution. Let's simplify. 3 minus 3 is 0. 14 minus 21 is negative 7. This becomes a positive. 6 plus 12 is 18. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. Negative 18 minus 8 is negative 26. 12 plus 2, 14. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. And there you have your solution. Okay. Next problem, 3a. This is a scalar, so what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 3 times all of a, which is negative 1, 12, 16, 14, 5, negative 8, negative 7, negative 8, and 11. So you're going to multiply 3 times every one of these, just like that. Okay? So let's look. If you need to use a calculator, please do so. But your dimension should stay the same. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 16, 48. 3 times 14, 52. Wait a minute. I don't think so. 42. My apologies. I knew that didn't look right. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times negative 8, negative 24. 3 times negative 7, negative 21. 3 times negative 8, negative 24. 3 times 11, 33. And there you have your solution. Okay. D plus C. D is a 2 by 2. C is a 2 by 2. We can add these two together. Let's set them up, and you should have a 2 by 2. So 9 plus 15. 9, which is your D, plus your 15. Okay? And then you'll have 1 minus 22, negative 1 minus 26. Okay? Negative 10 plus 7. There you go. Let me double check. 9 plus 15, 1 minus 22, negative 1 minus 26, negative 10 plus 7. There you go. All right. Simplify. 9 plus 15 is 24. 1 minus 22 is negative 21. Negative 1 minus 26 is negative 27. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3. And there you have your sixth one. All right. Next one is also a scalar. So it'll be a third. Okay. Now I'm going to write this one a little different from the one above it, but you're going to get the same answer. And we're going to multiply it times D. D is a 2 by 2. So your solution should be a 2 by 2. So you're going to take 1/3 times 9. 1/3 times 1. 1/3 times -1. And 1/3 times -10. Or you can just have 1/3 out here and write it out like I did for the one right above it. Okay. Always simplify. Here we go. 1 times 9 is 9. 9 over 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Divided by 3 is a third. 1/3 times -1 is -1/3. 1 times -10 is -10 over 3. No decimal, please. Okay? All your answers should be in fraction form. And there you have 1/3 D. That's a scalar. This is called a scalar. B plus C. Let's take a look. Your B is a 4 by 2. Okay? And your C is a 2 by 2. Not same dimension. So this one is undefined. So let me write it in red. Undefined. Dimensions not the same. You cannot add or subtract. And there you have number 1 and 2 for your review. I will do the next page in just a little bit, but let me make it small in case you want it all on the same page. And there you have it. Okay? Good luck on your tests. I will do the next page in the next video.